Foundations of Love: How to Build and Sustain a Happy Relationship and Family. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel if you like the content. Chapter 20: Maintaining Family Unity During Difficult Times, When Tough Times Test the Bonds. Life has a way of throwing unexpected challenges our way, whether it's a financial hardship, a health crisis, or the loss of a loved one. During these difficult times, it's natural for stress and emotions to run high. But while tough times can test a family's unity, they can also be an opportunity to grow stronger together. Maintaining family unity isn't about pretending everything is fine or avoiding tough conversations. It's about showing up for each other, communicating openly, and working as a team to weather the storm. When a family stays united during difficult times, it creates a sense of security and hope that can carry everyone through. Lean on open and honest communication. When challenges arise, communication becomes more important than ever. Open and honest communication helps prevent misunderstandings, clears up confusion, and keeps everyone on the same page. Make it a priority to check in with each other regularly, whether it's through family meetings, one-on-one talks, or even casual chats at the dinner table. Be transparent about the situation, but also be mindful of how you share information, especially with kids. Use age-appropriate language and provide reassurance that the family will face the challenge together. Pro tip: create a safe space where everyone feels comfortable sharing their thoughts and feelings. Avoid judgment and focus on listening with empathy. Life example: the family meeting. Your family is facing financial difficulties, and you decide to hold a family meeting to discuss the situation. You explain the challenge in simple terms, invite everyone to share their feelings, and brainstorm ways to cut costs together. This open conversation helps everyone feel included and reassured. Stay united with a shared purpose. Difficult times can create a sense of uncertainty, but having a shared purpose can bring your family together. Whether it's focusing on recovery, saving money, or simply supporting each other emotionally, agreeing on a common goal reminds everyone that they're part of a team. Encourage family members to contribute ideas and take on roles that align with the shared purpose. When everyone feels like they're part of the solution, it fosters a sense of unity and empowerment. Pro tip: write down your family's shared purpose or goal and place it somewhere visible, like the fridge or a bulletin board. This serves as a daily reminder of what you're working toward together. Life example: the health challenge. When a family member is recovering from surgery, everyone pitches in to support them. One person takes care of meals, another handles errands, and the kids create get-well cards. This shared effort helps the family stay united while focusing on the goal of recovery. Practice patience and grace. During tough times, it's easy for stress to lead to short tempers or misunderstandings. Practicing patience and grace, both with yourself and with others, can help maintain harmony. Remember that everyone processes challenges differently, and it's okay to have moments of frustration or sadness. Give each other the benefit of the doubt, and don't be afraid to apologize if emotions get the better of you. A little extra kindness and understanding go a long way in keeping the family bond strong. Pro tip: if emotions are running high, take a break to cool down before continuing the conversation. A short pause can prevent arguments and allow everyone to approach the issue with a clearer mindset. Life example: after a particularly tough day, you find yourself snapping at your partner over something minor. Realizing the stress is getting to you, you take a moment to apologize and explain how you're feeling. This small act of grace helps de-escalate the situation and reminds both of you that you're on the same team. Find strength in togetherness. One of the most powerful ways to maintain family unity during tough times is to spend quality time together. Shared activities like playing games, cooking meals, or simply watching a movie provide a sense of normalcy and connection. Even small moments of togetherness can remind everyone of the love and support that binds the family. Look for opportunities to create positive memories, even in the midst of challenges. These moments of joy can provide a much-needed boost and help everyone stay focused on what truly matters. Pro tip: schedule regular family time, even if it's just a short activity like a walk or a shared meal. These routines create a sense of stability and togetherness. Life example: the board game night. Amid a stressful period, your family decides to have a weekly board game night. Laughter fills the room as everyone gets competitive, and for a little while, the stress of the situation fades into the background. These small moments of joy strengthen the family bond. Lean on traditions and rituals. Family traditions and rituals can provide comfort and stability during uncertain times. Whether it's a weekly Sunday dinner, a bedtime routine, or an annual holiday tradition, these familiar activities remind everyone of the continuity and love within the family. If existing traditions don't feel quite right during a particular challenge, consider creating new ones that align with the current situation. Traditions provide a sense of belonging and reassurance, even when everything else feels uncertain. Pro tip: involve everyone in deciding which traditions to maintain or adapt. This sense of ownership helps reinforce the importance of family unity. Life example: the adjusted holiday. During a tough financial year, your family decides to skip the usual big holiday celebration and have a simple potluck dinner instead. Everyone contributes something small, and the focus shifts to spending quality time together. This new tradition becomes a cherished memory of resilience and togetherness. Seek support when needed. Maintaining family unity doesn't mean handling everything on your own. Don't hesitate to reach out for help, whether it's from extended family, close friends, or professional resources like therapists or counselors. Asking for support is a sign of strength, not weakness, and it can provide the tools and perspective needed to navigate difficult times. Encourage family members to seek support as well, whether it's through talking to a trusted friend, joining a support group, or simply sharing their feelings with someone they trust. Pro tip: normalize seeking help by leading by example. Show your family that it's okay to ask for support when needed. Life example: the family counselor. When communication becomes strained during a prolonged challenge, your family decides to see a counselor together. The sessions provide a safe space to share feelings and work through issues, helping everyone feel more connected and supported. Conclusion: stronger together. Difficult times may test your family's unity, but they also provide an opportunity to grow stronger together. By communicating openly, focusing on a shared purpose, practicing patience, and leaning on each other, you can navigate challenges as a team. Remember, maintaining family unity isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up for each other with love, empathy, and determination. Together, you can face anything life throws your way and come out the other side even closer than before.